Viocorp, we are an online video platform and our focus is on the enterprise. Viocorp's live offering consists of us delivering live webcasts without fail. That's our main differentiator. What first drew us to cloud encoding was we're presented with the challenge of having to increase our scalability, not only in the amount of live productions that we're doing simultaneously, but also increasing our reach globally. With the increase in the amount of devices that you need to reach, it's been an interesting challenge. Moving into the cloud using the Elemental workflow, we've kind of like future-proofed ourselves as well, because you've got the whole team of Elemental engineers working out the new systems like HEVC that's going to help you with the future. The good thing about the Elemental Live cloud workflow, you don't actually necessarily need to use Elemental encoders, but what we find when you do, you get a really good picture quality at the other end. And we find with that workflow and the resiliency at every stage of the workflow, from the production stage to the ground encoders to within the cloud and then within the CDN, you've got a fully resilient workflow that's going to help you at any situation. The switch to live cloud encoding for us was quite easy, because if you're used to the Elemental Live interface on physical encoders, it's exactly the same. When Elemental came to us with the solution that they have, the one thing that attracted us to it is that the ease of spinning up a deployment in a different region. But what we've also found since moving to the cloud is the time saving that it offers you for not having to physically keep all those servers up to date. Rather than having to go into a data center to do a major upgrade on a physical machine, it's as easy as going to a web page, selecting a drop-down box and hitting start. And that we've found to be invaluable. A lot of the events that we do, people aren't just wanting to live webcast the keynote, they're wanting to live webcast every single room. They're wanting DVR, they're wanting immediate turnaround. Part of our niche is looking at the large-scale events and working out a workflow so that they can choose what stream to watch. They can go back into DVR. You can include closed captions, broadcast a wider audience, so you can include different languages. Elemental Delta offers you a whole range of different output filters to get the majority of your devices. You can easily delay your broadcast. You can easily put in live to VOD, file capture as well, and also the DVR. And that type of density we couldn't do with a system other than Elemental. The working relationship we have with Elemental, I'd see them more as a partner than as a provider to us, and they're very, very helpful in every step of the way. We're often presented with challenges that our clients come to us with, and we have to think outside of the box to be able to solve those. And that's what we love about working with Elemental. There's always new features coming into the product, there's always new workflows, and they're always ahead of the curve on building those features into what the market needs and wants. Not only are you broadcasting to your audience, but you're giving your audience the best possible experience.